What's going on, everybody? Thanks for joining me today. So today I just really wanted to go through the lawn care equipment I use. It's going to be pretty quick, or at least I'm going to try to keep it pretty quick. I am a homeowner, a DIYer that loves to take care of their yard. I'm not a lawn care professional by any means, so I don't have any real fancy equipment. So if you're a new homeowner or a homeowner that's just starting to get into lawn care and take care of things yourself, maybe this can give you an idea of some equipment you can get either over the years or right off the bat. So I hope this helps. And I'm also going to talk about some of the lawn care equipment I hope to get over this next 2019 lawn care season, just to up my game a little bit more and make things look that much more crisp. So without further ado, let's get right into this. Alright, so the first piece of equipment I wanted to show you guys is my mower. This is Honda's commercial mower. It's the HRC 216. It's going to be overkill for most homeowners, and it's, I think, their most expensive mower that you can buy. But as a homeowner, you can definitely get a really good high-quality Honda mower without going this top of the line. I was fortunate enough to be able to buy this from my parents at a lower cost, because they wanted to get rid of all their gas equipment when they switched over to electric. The height of cut on this goes from 3/4 of an inch all the way to 4. The lowest I've cut with this is 2 inches on Bermuda, and then I cut my cool season turf anywhere between 3 and 4 inches. It is a great mower. You can mulch with it. There's a mulching plug, and you can also bag. And it's just going to give you that high quality cut that Honda offers with all of their mowers. And over this next year, I would like to get a big league lawn striper to add to this mower, just to step up my game that much more and to add nice crisp stripes to my yard when I'm done enjoying that mow. Alright, now on to my leaf blower. This is a Stihl or Stihl, I don't know, everybody has their own preference on how they pronounce that brand name, but it is the BG 55. It's a great blower for any homeowner. It's going to last you a really long time, because just like Honda and Echo, Stihl makes very great and durable products. So really, that's all I can say about it. It's an awesome blower, and I have had really good luck with it. Alright, off to my whippersnipper. This is Echo's GT225 curved shaft whippersnipper. I've used this specific model for a very long time. I bought this trimmer right here from somebody on Craigslist. I think this trimmer for a homeowner is a very affordable and durable trimmer that is going to last you a long time. The person I bought this from had put a universal head on it that allows you to put string or plastic blades on it, just to give you the ability to cut thicker brush. I prefer the head that comes on the trimmer when you originally buy it, because I find that the string lasts a bit longer and it's a little easier to use. But the head that comes on it, you can't put plastic blades on it to cut really thick brush like this is designed for. But overall, I love this trimmer, and it's awesome for any homeowner to use. So when it comes to spreading fertilizer, I predominantly use granular products that can be spread with this really basic plastic spreader that you can pretty much get at any local hardware store. This is the Scotts Deluxe EdgeGuard, and like it says in the name, it does have an EdgeGuard, so you can do a trim pass without spreading a bunch of product in your sidewalk, street, or driveway. Most homeowners don't need anything more than this, but I will recommend, if you do have a bumpy yard, you might want to look into getting a spreader with air-filled tires, because those provide a little bit smoother ride and better coverage. And then also I have this small handheld spreader for applying seed in areas that I don't want to apply by hand. Up next in the arsenal of tools I have for my yard is a 1-gallon hand can. I only use this to spot spray weeds in my yard. This is very affordable, not expensive at all. It's only around $10 at your local hardware store. Something this size is really just too difficult to get any sort of blanket application on your yard with, but over the next year I would like to get a 2 or 4 gallon battery powered backpack sprayer to give me some flexibility with different liquid products. And last but not least is the Ortho Dial and Spray. This is a hose end sprayer that is very user friendly and easy to use for any homeowner, and again, it is not expensive by any means. I only use this product to spray my Greene County Next products. Always make sure you are reading the labels of any products on whether or not they can be used on a hose end sprayer, because if they're a liquid product or a granular concentrate that can be diluted for a liquid product, they're usually not meant to be coming out of a hose end sprayer. They usually need to be something more higher end that will give you a more accurate and precise spray. So make sure you read your labels anytime you're using a herbicide, fungicide, or fertilizer, because not all of them can be used with hose end sprayers. So I hope you guys enjoyed that quick tour of the lawn care equipment I use to care for and manage my yard. I hope this was helpful for any new homeowner or somebody that's just getting started with their lawn care, just to give you maybe a good guideline or basics on what equipment you may need as you start into this 2019 lawn care season. And I hope this was just maybe entertaining for all you other lawn care nuts that just enjoy looking at the equipment other people use to manage their turf, maybe to give you ideas as well. But leave me comments below on the equipment you guys have had good or bad success with, and what equipment you guys really like to use. And let me know if you guys have any questions about the equipment I use that I showed you guys today. So with that being said, I'm Ben the Lawn Guardian. Thanks for joining me again today, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.